Source management. Your China manufacturing adventure isn't over until your product meets your satisfaction and is safely in your warehouse. There is an important but intangible aspect of doing business in China. Much of Chinese culture is based on ongoing personal relationships. They lead to smoother transactions, better terms, and more attention to detail. You may choose to have Avela leverage its long experience in China sourcing to provide source management services, which include relationship management. This involves all the details that go into establishing a solid, successful, long-term business relationship. Things like building trust, securing better terms, handling turnover, and developing institutional knowledge. Quality control. Avela can be your boots on the ground in China, identifying and confirming custom production requirements, robust testing, packaging verification, and supply chain management. Product certification. Avela can ensure that the manufacturer meets any certification requirements you might need, such as CE, UL, FDA, etc. Logistic coordination. This includes handling those details that need to be addressed to get your goods to shore, like proper harmonized tariff codes, consolidation, correct customs markings, insurance, tracking, etc. Avela's fees for helping clients with source management are based on a percentage of the pro forma invoice, usually between 8 and 12%. To continue, click the button labeled with your next destination.